Hello, Kilmer heads. I don't have time to make an in-depth video right now. I'm traveling, but I thought it would be fun to read some of the comments on Kilmer's videos. Some of them are golden. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and check out some of the other videos. First, RotTube says, it's like watching Forrest Gump on cocaine. I don't even know how to imagine that. Next, Riley McMaster says, this guy sounds like SpongeBob after he hits puberty. Maybe. Jorgen October Storm Nestad Thyrm. He says, I wonder what the neighbors say about having Rod Stewart across the fence shouting about transmissions.
He's acting shy, looking for an answer.
Warner says, man, this dude sounds exactly like Hugo the health inspector from Bob's Burgers.
You assist Ron and myself in our undercover sting investigation of the meat vendor, Jack Conway. If you want to save your restaurant, you're wearing a wire and you're working for us, Bob.
So today I'm going to show you how to change automatic transmission fluid in your vehicle.
Holy crap, he really does. And that's a great show, by the way. Zul, there is no Dana, only Zul. Tadzili says Ozzy Osbourne the mechanic. Yeah, I can see it. Jaboy Celtic says, I think Scotty sounds like Shaggy out of Scooby-Doo, but there's a question mark at the end. Is that a question? There are a ton of comments talking about Scotty yelling, like these. But I gotta say, the most bizarre is this. This user, Jane Morgan, with probably a fake profile picture says, wow, after watching this guy, I'm motivated to actually open my hood. Now what caught my eye is the amount of replies, and also that Scotty replied. His reply is great. Check this out. If I were a lot, wait, let me do the Scotty voice. If I were a lot younger, oh, that sounds like Marge Simpson. If I were a lot younger and not married, your picture would motivate me to ask you out. So, we're even. That's weird. But the comments get weird too. Chris H. I'd like to open your hood. And, oh, did I? I guess I disliked it. And then last, let me guess. You want to check my oil with your dipstick? No, your transmission fluid with my dipstick. It's longer. God. And then she says, might as well check my rear end too. And there's more. And these two people are having this whole sexual innuendo conversation in the comment section of a Scotty Kilmer video, and they're all car puns too, which is so weird. It's so bizarre. But my favorite comment is this. Ronnie Lowther says, Scotty's a great mechanic. People need to stop with the disrespect. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Next week I'll try to get a better, longer, more in-depth video up for you. But I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe I'll do more if you like them. But thanks a lot. Like, subscribe. Tell me what you think below. And see you later. Bye-bye.